Job create in the U.S. economics surged recent monthly, but the yearly bet of wages increase slow. The economics created 313,000 jobs in February, formal figures show, far in excessive of analysts' consumer expectations. Yet, the joblessness bet remained at 4.1%, time the yearly income increase bet slow to 2.6% recent monthly. Jan's yearly wages increase bet, that had caused fears above expansionary pressures, was as well fixed downward of 2.9% to 2.8%. The powerful wages increase drawing for January induced abrupt variability on the stockpile marketplace, as investors concerned the U.S. Fed backup would speed up the step at that it enlarged concern rates. In spite of reduced than expected wages growth in February, lot economists told much longer period trends yet spot to high salary. The U.S. economics is in its 9-year of economical extension, in an rise in world increase and tax intermittent gone recent year helped to increase. Friday's paper of the U.S. Labor Division showed the largest growth in jobs with July 2016, send main stockpile indexes high. The three main U.S. stockpile indexes climbed nearly 2% by the shut of trade and the Nasdaq close at a recording top. The Dow Jones Industry Ordinary rose a 440 points, or percent, to end at 25,335, the S&P 500 obtained 47 points, or percent, to 2,786 and the Nasdaq ended up 132 points, or percent, to 7,560. We include an economics how is shooting on all cylinders and the job marketplace is a reflect of how, told Gus Faucher, head political economist at PNC Banking. February's reach turned on an growth of 61,000 building jobs, the largest growth with 2007. The manufacture segment as well added 31,000 jobs, time retailer occupation rebounded of declines recent year. The quantity of human beings work or looking for job as well jumped by more than rather than 800,000 recent monthly. How was the largest monthly average growth in the labor strength in more than rather than too many decades and forced the labor strength involvement bet to 63%. In spite the growth, the joblessness bet detained stable at 4.1%, wherever it has hovered with October. Such figures stipulated feed for analysts who say wages increase could be moderated by a big quantity of capacity workers meeting on the sidelines. Same enormous profit in wages belies the concept how the labor marketplace has really achieved complete occupation, told Sophia Korapekij of Sullens Analysis. Growing involvement by men of main work age, among 25 and 54 year, has helping driving the labor strength involvement bet high in latter months, showing a revival in sectors such as manufacture. But Ms. Korapekij told she does not wait the labor strength to go on increasing at recent monthly step, indicating to challenges such as ability gaps and opiate drug addiction. Down there's just so lot of a increase you can get since a lot of human beings are structured jobless, she told. Surely down there is flaccid, but how lot of it will be almost engrossed is doubtful. Ms. Korapekij told a more rigid labor marketplace makes sluggish accelerate in wages increase unavoidable the year. The ordinary per hour wages for individual segment workers was recent monthly, up 68 cents of February 2017 and 4 cents of January. Markets are waiting the Fed backup to lift concern rates at low 3 times in 2018. But in the bloating bet cladding its goal 2% bet, it has been wait for signs, love powerful wages increase, of price blood pressure. Analysts told Powerful employing in February all but guarantees the Fed will lift rates at its meet after the monthly, though if the figures were forced by soft weather. But the comparatively poor wages increase did slight to solve debates on if policymakers will ultimately go more rapid.